Are you giving your woodworking projects the attention and energy they deserve? Quit settling and upgrade today to Sawblade.com's professional Delta 14-inch Micro Adjust with Riser Block Upgrade Kit. Enhance your woodworking capabilities, master those difficult, intricate cuts, and maximize your performance with this easy-to-install kit that will elevate what your Delta bandsaw can do. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of solid, high-grade aluminum and utilizes performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with two front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All three bearings are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy in a variety of band widths. This particular kit features a toolless micro-adjustable guide. This feature makes it easy to make modifications and change blades quickly. This specific guide kit is adjustable for blades 3/16 of an inch to 1 inch and is for Delta 14 users who have a riser block installed. This heavy-duty kit comes complete with the proper mounting hardware, lower and upper machined guide posts, precision bearings, and a slotted blade guard. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your Delta aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, please check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and we stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. So you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching. And for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist at Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.